Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And I know this is very different and it's been a while since it's like I'm filming here at the garage, but I just got it's pretty quiet at the back. I just got something very rare. I think it's very rare for Rhonda Civic because you never find this stuff, and if you buy it online you're gonna pay like so much. And oh, there's one thing I did to the car. For the guys that's following the build of Rhonda, I put the normal stock wing on again. So for me, I like this look better. I don't know, I just like it. And I still have the other wing, so I might just swap the other wing out and like swap this wing. Oh, sorry. I might just swap that wing out for this wing if I don't like the look of this wing, but I'm sure I'm gonna just leave this wing on as it is. I like the brake light and it looks stealth this way. And I had to take the sticker off also because with the other wing there was like a big space here at the back, but with this wing it goes over the sticker, so I had to take it off. So no, I didn't. Some people saying like I don't like the sticker or whatever, but that's just the wing covered the whole sticker. As you can see, this is the stock taillights that came with the car, and you can see that it's actually like this orange part here. And I don't know how other people feel who have Honda Civics, but I'm not a fan of that orange, and I've always been chasing the clear taillights. So shout out to Jaryd, who actually messaged me and told me that there's a set for sale, and then I flew to that place. So yeah, got it here, and I'm excited to see how this is gonna look at night. I'll take like before and after shots now, so you can see afterwards if you guys have a Civic and you want to do this to your car, so you don't know how it looks. So I'll just do that and I'll show you my experience.
Shit dripping off the chin.
Okay, just when I wanted to put the light in, I just noticed some sus connections here. I don't know what is clapping here, bro. What is this? What's clapping here? So I'm just gonna have to take this off and this. This got to bomb me, bro. So I'm just gonna sort that out and then should be good to go. I was worried about the stuff being rusted actually, but it should be fine, man. Okay, I just fixed the wires now, and before I put it in, I first want to check if the lights work, if all the lights work. Because luckily with this one, my old light came a I don't know what you call this, but I made this guys that put away helped me, and they made this because I don't have it, like I don't want to cut it like rough, so they had like a drill with a, I don't know what you call that bit, but it's a circle bit. But then they cut that for me, and that's how you can run top and bottom brake lights. So this one luckily also has in, so I'm gonna check now.
Shit dripping off the chin.
It actually looks nice. I actually like it more than the old spec. So let me know what you guys think. I think the bumper is just a bit loose at the bottom. I've been searching for this light for probably like now I don't care, I stopped searching and then. So shout out to Jaryd. Jaryd, I owe you a milkshake or something. Yeah, you can actually see from side to side how it looks. And I like the one on the right way better than the left. One on the left, see, I don't like that orange whole thing. I don't like that. I like, why don't you just make it one complete strip? So yeah, I'm so glad I did this. So yeah, that's why I don't like the the orange one. This orange, it's just I like the light. This is my problem here. This whole orange piece, that's my problem. Yeah, guys, I think they've been so quick. I know it's other type of videos that you. Oh, this is M3, my bro. Just type of videos that you guys wanna see, but I just wanted to make like a short video for you guys. Maybe like just upload it like in the week or something, and you can see it actually makes a huge difference. Oh, exposure there. There we go. You can actually see it makes a big difference to the whole car. Because in front also I have clear side taillights. I mean side lights. So you can actually see it looks like it makes a big difference to the whole car. So I'm excited to see how it looks tonight. And shout out to Jaryd again for letting me know about this. I flew there, like I said, I flew there. But you can see, yo, it looks so nice. Yes, sis. Hectic. I don't know why I'm getting so excited over it. Lights, but I decided I can stop looking for lights. But thank you guys for watching. I'll check you guys again. I'll upload a video probably Monday again. So, peace out.